Hey, what is up, everybody? I am Jason, and you're watching my channel, Micro Investor. So it's been a couple weeks since I talked about NIO, so I feel like now is the time to make another NIO video because I know I have a lot of people that follow my channel that are investors in NIO, and NIO is also one of the most popular stocks in the stock market, so I figured, why not? Let's talk about it. It's worth it. So there have been some changes going on with NIO since last time I discussed them. So real quick, if you're not familiar with the company NIO is an electric vehicle company in China. They're compared a lot to Tesla. A lot of people say they're the Tesla of China, but now Tesla's obviously in China now, selling their vehicles. But what got NIO real popular was NIO did make the world's fastest electric supercar, the EP9, which got the company a lot of popularity from that. And the vehicles that they're currently trying to sell to consumers are the ES6 and the ES8, which are very nicely made cars, very nice outside, very nice interior, pretty much just like a luxury car, and very similar to what you would find in a Tesla vehicle. But the company obviously is a newer company. They're burning through cash like crazy, and they're still trying to find their footing in the vehicle world in general. So now let's talk about the new news that is going on with NIO. So NIO just announced that they have started production on their highly anticipated new model, the EC6, which is a more smaller crossover style SUV, going to be more of a competitor to Tesla's Model Y. And they're building the EC6 at the Jack NIO Advanced Manufacturing Center in Hefei, China. So let's get to some specs on the EC6. So the EC6 will have 536 horsepower, go 0 to 60 in 4.7 seconds, have a top speed of 124 miles per hour. The EC6 has NIO's all-new 100 kilowatt hour liquid-cooled battery pack that is said to offer up to 615 kilometers, which would be 382 miles of range. And to make the sale of the EC6 model even better, all NIO users can capitalize on NIO's battery swapping service, where it's free for NIO owners to swap their batteries out for a fully charged one in minutes. And if someone needs a higher range battery, they could rent one out for an extra $10 a day. So given the specs of the EC6 and all the information that's out there on it, and the fact that NIO has recently been able to get more funding, it sounds like they might possibly finally be able to have something that can give Tesla a run for their money. So now let's talk about funding, because that is something that NIO has been having a lot of issue with, and of course I made a couple of videos talking about it recently. So NIO did reach a preliminary agreement to relocate its headquarters. They made this agreement with the municipal government of Hefei, and basically the agreement is that they're going to move their headquarters to Hefei, where they already have a facility, and that's where they're building the EC6. So it's not really that big of a move for them to just make it there. So that's something that they're going to be doing. And doing this, the Hefei government has said that they will do an investment in the NIO, which would be the equivalent of what $1.43 billion would be in US. And my understanding with the $1.43 billion, since it is a government investment, they do want to keep the money in their own currency, and they do want to keep it in China. They don't want the money going to offshore facilities like NIO's facility in Silicon Valley in the United States. So as an investor in a NIO, what my hope is that they're going to produce a lot of these EC6 and be able to fulfill pre-orders that they have and get those out to customers in a timely fashion on the date of the launch of the vehicle. And not only that, but I'm also hoping that the coronavirus, has affected everything. This kind of gives them the money to, stay in business and keep producing vehicles, as well as keep running their business. That eventually, when the virus calms down and people go back to their normal lives of spending money, that they're going to need to buy a vehicle. And I'm hoping that NIO is going to be a good option to be able to do that, a good affordable option, when obviously Tesla is starting to do pretty well all over the place. I'm hoping that with Tesla releasing the Model Y, that people are going to be interested in buying the EC6 because it's very similar to that. So now with so much money being thrown into NIO with, 10 Cent, Bailey Gifford, Jack Motors, of course, the governments in China, there's a lot of people that have faith in this company. Now, I've been making these videos for a while, and there are quite a bit of haters of NIO out there. But I've also got a lot of good responses from people that actually have been to NIO, facilities, have purchased NIO vehicles, or have driven in NIO vehicles that have commented on my channel and gave me really positive feedback about this company. And a lot of people swear by it. They say that this company, makes really nice cars. So to me, that's why one of the reasons why I'm invested into it is it does still really have a lot of my interest in it. So I'd like to know what people think about NIO. What do people think about the government getting involved in with NIO? So please let me know. As always, everybody, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I have new videos coming out on my channk all the time. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.